Are there warning beep sound on the Miele W1 power wash machine after it has finished? Now some people have said that the washing machine doesn't beep after it has finished. In fact, this one does have a beep, as you can hear. Once the wash is finished, it will continuously beeping until you open the door, and this is what it sounds like. So it beeps around every 15 seconds or so. So it does have a beeping. So here, until you turn it off, it will continue to beep. And that's it. This is the model of the machine here, WWD320 WCS. So people saying this machine, it does not beep once it has finished. It's wrong. It does beep to warn you that the wash has finished. So you can go and collect your washing and dry it in a dryer or on the clothesline outside. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.